Judge laughs at Elon Musk in court, then gets stunned by his legal genius, ****. The courtroom was a battlefield. The walls, lined with spectators and reporters, buzzed with murmured conversations. Some were here for the legal fireworks, others were just hoping for another viral Elon Musk moment. And Musk? He was leaning back in his chair, arms crossed, watching the drama unfold like it was just another SpaceX launch. This wasn't just any lawsuit, it was a high-profile case that could cost him billions. The prosecution accused him of market manipulation, misleading investors through social media, and reckless corporate behavior. The media had been relentless, predicting Musk's downfall. Yet, as the judge entered the room, Musk barely blinked. "All rise," the bailiff called. Everyone stood, but Musk took his time before getting up, moving with a deliberate calmness. The judge, an older man with years of experience, took his seat and immediately got down to business. "Mr. Musk," the judge said, adjusting his glasses. "Let me remind you that this is a courtroom, not a Twitter debate. I expect you to treat these proceedings with the seriousness they deserve." Musk smirked. "Your Honor, I take everything seriously. Rockets, electric cars, even memes." Laughter rippled through the courtroom, but the judge wasn't amused. "We'll see about that," he said, before turning to the prosecution. "Proceed." The lead prosecutor, a sharp-dressed man with a reputation for taking down billionaires, stepped forward. His voice was smooth, confident. "Ladies and gentlemen, today we will prove that Elon Musk knowingly manipulated the stock market through his reckless use of social media. His words have moved billions of dollars, sometimes in seconds. And yet, he treats it all as a joke." The lawyer turned to Musk. "Mr. Musk, do you deny that your tweets have had a direct impact on Tesla's stock price?" Musk didn't flinch. "I think you'd have to ask the market." The lawyer smirked. "That's a convenient answer. But let's be honest, you know exactly what you're doing, don't you?" Musk leaned forward. "I know that free speech exists. And I also know that people react to headlines more than actual facts. Maybe that's something you should investigate." The courtroom murmured. The judge shot Musk a warning glance. "Stick to answering the questions, Mr. Musk." The prosecutor continued. "You once tweeted that you were taking Tesla private at $420 a share. That statement alone caused a massive shift in the market." Musk nodded. "It did. Because people believed in me. That's called confidence." The prosecutor scoffed. "Confidence? Or manipulation?" Musk raised an eyebrow. "Would you like a list of all the CEOs who make public statements that affect their stock prices?" "Because I have one." "It's a long list." The prosecutor was ready. "So, you admit that your tweets affect your stock?" Musk smiled. "I admit that the media affects stock prices more than my tweets." "You're proving my point right now." The courtroom chuckled again. The prosecutor wasn't laughing. He turned to the judge. "Your Honor, I would like to enter into evidence a compilation of Mr. Musk's tweets and their immediate impact on Tesla stock." The judge nodded. "Proceed." A large screen was rolled into place. The prosecution displayed multiple slides, each showing Musk's tweets side by side with Tesla stock movements. The charts were undeniable. "Mr. Musk, can you explain these?" Musk studied the charts for a moment before responding. "Yes. People react to words. Just like they react to news headlines, government policies, and, in your case, dramatic courtroom performances." A few gasps echoed through the room. The prosecutor gritted his teeth. "So you refuse to take responsibility?" Musk shook his head. "Not at all. I take full responsibility for my words. But if you're suggesting that I control the stock market with my Twitter account, then I'd like to know where my market manipulation powers were when Tesla stock dropped after great earnings reports." The prosecutor opened his mouth, but Musk wasn't done. "If you really think tweets control the stock market, why aren't all CEOs required to delete their Twitter accounts?" Why isn't the media held responsible for influencing markets with misleading headlines? The judge raised a hand. All right, enough. Mr. Musk, do you have anything to present in your defense? Musk smiled. He had been waiting for this. He reached for a folder, but instead of handing it to his lawyer, he walked straight to the judge's bench and placed it there himself. Your Honor, I'd like you to read this. Page 3 is particularly interesting. The judge frowned but picked up the document. The courtroom fell silent. As he read, his eyebrows furrowed. Then, his expression changed. The judge flipped to another page. Then another. The opposing attorney shifted in his seat. Your Honor, we object. The judge held up a hand. Objection overruled. Musk leaned back, arms crossed. I believe the law is on my side. The courtroom remained silent as the judge continued reading. After a long pause, he finally spoke. This document presents a strong argument that contradicts key points in the prosecution's case. He turned to the prosecutor. Do you have a counter to this? The prosecutor was speechless. He quickly flipped through his notes, but he had nothing. Musk had just dismantled their case in seconds. The judge sighed. Mr. Musk, your understanding of corporate law is impressive. Musk gave a casual shrug. I like to know what I'm up against. The judge turned to the prosecution. Counsel, unless you have additional evidence, I see no reason to continue this case. The prosecutor hesitated before finally sighing. We have nothing further, Your Honor. A gasp spread through the courtroom. Musk had just won. As he walked out, reporters swarmed him. Elon. Did you plan this? Musk chuckled. I don't play the game. I change it. Within hours, headlines dominated the internet. Elon Musk turns courtroom into masterclass in strategy. Judge laughs at Musk, then realizes he's outmatched. Elon Musk's legal genius leaves courtroom in shock. Twitter exploded. Memes of Musk handing the judge papers flooded social media. The stock market? Tesla's shares surged. Once again, Musk had turned a legal crisis into a viral moment of dominance. And the world was reminded, ***, never underestimate Elon Musk***.